Arch Linux versus NixOS. Choosing the right Linux distribution can completely change how you manage your system without unnecessary complexity. Arch offers simplicity and control, while NixOS focuses on reproducible, declarative configurations. Arch Linux and NixOS are both powerful Linux distributions, but differ fundamentally. Arch emphasizes simplicity and user control with a rolling release, whereas NixOS uses a declarative approach for system configuration, ensuring reproducibility and atomic upgrades. Arch Linux is a lightweight, flexible distribution designed for users who want full control over their system. It follows a rolling release model, providing the latest software updates continuously without major version upgrades. Arch uses the Pacman package manager and the Arch user repository, giving access to a vast software ecosystem. Installation is minimal and manual, requiring users to configure their system from the ground up, which strengthens understanding but demands time and effort. Arch simplicity lies in its design philosophy. It provides a base system without unnecessary additions, letting users build exactly what they need. Strengths include cutting-edge packages, extensive documentation through the Arch Wiki, and a strong community. However, its DIY nature can be challenging for beginners and may require troubleshooting skills. Ideal users are experienced Linux enthusiasts, or those willing to learn deeply about Linux internals and system management. NixOS is a unique Linux distribution centered on the Nix package manager, which enables declarative, reproducible system configurations. Instead of manually installing and configuring software, users define their entire system state in a single configuration file. This approach ensures that system changes are atomic and can be rolled back easily, reducing the risk of broken setups. NixOS uses isolated package environments, preventing dependency conflicts and enabling multiple versions of software to coexist seamlessly. Updates are transactional, meaning partial upgrades are avoided, improving system stability. While NixOS requires learning its configuration language and concepts, it excels in environments where consistency and reproducibility are critical, such as development or production servers. Limitations include a steeper learning curve and a smaller user base compared to mainstream distros. NixOS is ideal for users who prioritize reliable system management, want to automate setups, or need to maintain multiple configurations effortlessly. Arch Linux and NixOS cater to different user needs through contrasting philosophies. Arch offers a hands-on experience with a rolling release, perfect for users seeking the latest software and full customization. It requires manual setup and ongoing maintenance, but rewards users with deep system knowledge. NixOS, on the other hand, prioritizes declarative system management with atomic upgrades and easy rollbacks, reducing maintenance risks. This makes NixOS well suited for developers or administrators managing multiple machines or environments. However, its unique configuration model demands familiarity with the Nix language and concepts. Arch excels in flexibility and community support, while NixOS shines in reproducibility and stability. Choosing between them depends on whether you prefer manual control and bleeding-edge packages or automated, reliable system configurations. Choose Arch Linux if you want maximum control, access to the latest software, and enjoy hands-on system management with a vibrant community backing. Opt for NixOS if your priority is reproducible, declarative configurations with stable atomic updates that simplify system maintenance. It's ideal for developers and sysadmins who value automation and reliability in their Linux